Welcome back. I'm Zell, and today we have a neat little knife to look at. It's from Swiss Army, but you know what? You're going to have to wait till we get to the camera down view, so come on in here and let's get a look at it. So here it is, guys. We have a 58mm Swiss Army Classic SD with the Don't Tread on Me and our rattlesnake in bright yellow. And it's nothing special beyond that. Is a standard classic SD with a pen blade, screwdriver, and nail file, and scissors, along with toothpick and tweezers. I won't belabor you with the specs on this one. If you'd like to see the specs, look up under that eye, and I'll have the review for the standard classic SD up there. I just thought you guys might want to get a look at this one. So there it is, guys, a Victorinox Classic SD with the Don't Tread on Me on it and the rattlesnake. Legend says that the rattlesnake was chosen because the rattlesnake would rather slither off than fight. However, if it was forced to fight, its bite was rather nasty. And I'd have to agree with that, and I probably should let you know that this Classic SD in bright yellow with the Don't Tread on Me and the rattlesnake on it is gonna belong to one of you guys here very soon. So, take a note. Anyhow, I really appreciate you stopping by and hanging out with me for a minute. You have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit me up on those social media links. And have a great day, and I'll see you next time.